students, today we are learn exercise 2.2, 2.3 and 4 questions of 2.4. Okay, now start. Your exercise 2.2 is find the values of polynomials. यहाँ एक polynomials की equations दी हुई है. Equations is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, this is our equations, and here find the value from three values. First, when x is equal to 0, second x is equal to minus 1, and 3 x is equal to 2. So हमें x की वैल्यू एक बार x की वैल्यू 0 पुट करनी है इक्वेशन में, एक बार -1 पुट करनी है और एक बार 2 पुट करनी है. ओके, सिंपल. सो वी सी easily when x is equal to 0, then px is equal to 0. Here this x is equal to 0 means 5 into 0 and -4 into x square plus 3. Solve these equations, we get result is equal to 3. Okay, now question number part 2 means x is equal to -1 and x is equal to plus 2 is your homework. Okay, if you get any problem, so watch and see these answers. Okay, now in question number 2, here equations are given and value of x is changed. First, find p0 means value of x is equal to 0. Again, p1 means x is equal to 1, and p2 it means value of x is equal to 2. So simple. Firstly, we are getting p0. Solution number 1, these equations. In these equations, py, when py find p0, so the value of y is equal to 0. तो इस equations में जहाँ भी हमें y दिख रहा है वहाँ पर हमें पुट 0 करना है. ओके, our equations is py y square minus 1 plus 1. So when p is equal to 0, then result we get 1. When p is equal to 1, then result we get 1. Again p is equal to 2, then result we get 3. So we get 1, 1 and 3 is answers. Okay, same as question number 2 and question number 3. Firstly, we are putting 0 in these equations, and again putting t is equal to 1 and again putting 2. Okay, and second, third, fourth is your homework. Now question number 3 is very fine. Now in these equations the value of x is given and px is given. अब इस x की वैल्यू को px में पुट करेंगे. If result we get 0, then this is the polynomials. This value is polynomials. This is the values. This is zeros of given polynomials. Okay, we are solving first questions. Here value of x is equal to -1/3 and px is equal to 3x plus 1. So here px is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, then value of x is equal to -1/3 plus 1, 3 and 3 is cancels, left -1 plus 1, this is 0. Okay, so we can say easily x is equal to -1/3 is the zeros of given polynomials. Okay, yes. Now similarly we are solving second questions. So we don't get 0 in this So this is not a polynomials, zeros of polynomials. Again in question third, here two values are given. First when x is equal to 1 and second x is equal to -1. We checking both. We get 0 from x is equal to 1 and we get 0 again from x is equal to -1. So we can say easily this is zeros of given polynomials. Again we are question number 4. Here putting x is equal to first -1 and x is equal to +2. So we getting 0. If we get 0, so this is zeros of polynomials, otherwise not a polynomials of given equations, not zeros of given equations. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other one is your homework. You have to solve your own mind. Okay, now question number 4. Sorry, this is second. This was second, and question number third. Oh, this was repeat. This question was repeat. Okay. Now question number 4. Find the zeros. It's so simple question. Find zeros. इसका मतलब zeros find करने के लिए हमको px is equal to 0 लेना है. Now the value of px is equal to x plus 5 becomes equal to 0. Then x is equal to -5. So this is the zeros of given px. Okay. I think you can solve all questions simply. In this question 0 means x की values. Okay, so left question is your homework. If you have any doubts, so please see these answers. Now question number 5. Now exercise 2.3. Here find the remainder theorems. Find the remainders by remainder theorems is that here x plus 1, so this equal to 0 and the value of is equal to -1 and the value of -1 put in these equations. Okay, similarly question second, here x minus 1 equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 by 2. So value of x is equal to 1 by 2 put in these equations. Again for third, x is equal to 0, so this have to put in these equations. Okay, now question number 4. X plus pi is equal to 0, so value of x is equal to -5. We have to put -5 in these equations. And again for 5 is 5 plus 2x is equal to 0, so the value of x be -5 upon 2. We have to put these values in these equations. Okay, यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जिसमें x की वैल्यू -पाई आ रही है उसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे. x is equal to -5. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, पार्ट 4 सॉरी. और आप लोग इसको देख सकते हैं easily. We can find this is second solution, this is third solution, and this is fourth solution. Here x plus pi, so the value of x is equal to -pi and put these equations. Here x cube, so put -pi cube. Here 3x square, so 3 pi square. Here 3x, so we are putting -pi and left 1. And x cube and -pi cube will be -pi cube because cube of minus be minus. And square of -pi is equal to +pi because minus plus. Okay, so here we get these equations. This is remainder. This is remainder theorem. Now similarly question number 5. Okay, question number 2. as same as question number 1. Here this is a dividend, means x minus a is equal to 0. Here we get the value of x is a. Now put the value of x in this equations. Okay, so we get easily, here the equation is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. The value of x is equal to a. Now putting this, so this is a cube, this is a and a square, this is 6a minus a. A cube is equal to a cube, this is again a cube, plus 6 minus a, we get 5a, plus minus minus, and these are cancel, a cube and a cubes are cancelled, left 5a. This is remainder, this is remainder. Okay, this is the solution of question 2. So then remainder is equal to 5a. Okay, now question number 3. Here this is polynomials and this is zeros, so we get the value of 0 from here. 7 plus 3x is equal to 0, then value of x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So now put the value of x in given equations. Given equations is 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, now put the value of x cube, where x is equal to minus 7 upon 3 cube plus 7 and again minus 7 upon 3. Multiplying numbers and find and taking LCM, we get this, and again solve this equation, we get minus 490 upon 9. Here this is not equal to 0, so we can say easily this is not factor of given equations. Okay, this is the solution of question number 3. Now exercise 2.4. Here determine the following polynomials as x plus 1 a factor. यहाँ हमें ये चेक करके बताना है कि x plus 1 किस किस इक्वेशंस का आंसर है. So here find the value of x, we get x is equal to minus 1. Now put the value of minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 in question number 1, in question number 2, in question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, if we get result, if we get remainder 0, then that will be factor of x plus 1. Okay, so you are check easily. Question 1 is your homework. Now question number 2 is repeat questions again using remainder theorem, means factor theorems. Here we get value of x, from question number 1. Here given x plus 1 is equal to 0, so value of x is equal to minus 1. Put the value of x in this equations. The equation is 2x cube plus x square minus 2. जब x की वैल्यू यहाँ पर -1 पुट करेंगे, so like this equation become like this. And इसको सॉल्व करने पर आंसर होगा 0. So we can say gx is the factor of px. Okay, now remaining questions in your homework, because homework is must compulsory for our work. Okay, question number 2, part 2nd and 3rd is your homework. If you any doubts, see here. Okay, now question number 3rd. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k इफ x माइनस वन इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ px, यानी कि यहाँ बोल रहे हैं कि x माइनस वन दिए गए पोलिनोमियल्स का फैक्टर है, मीन्स x की वैल्यू वी गेट +1। ओके, अब यदि ये इसका फैक्टर है तो इट मीन्स रिजल्ट विल बी 0। नाउ px should be 0. Okay, x we get +1. Now here px is equal to x square plus x plus k is equal to 0. Put the value of x in this equation. So we get x 1 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. Now the value of k will be -2. Okay. Now question number 3, part 3rd, part 2, this and this is your homework, but I am solving one more questions. I am solving question number 2 again. Here the value of x is equal to 1. Okay, and given polynomial's equation is this. So putting x is equal to 1, now we get, now putting x is equal to 1 in this equation, so p1 is equal to 0 and 1x square plus k1 plus √2 equal to 0. Now square of 1 is equal to 1, multiply by 2 is equal to 2, and k ones of k and √2 is equal to 0. Again k is equal to -2 plus √2, taking minus common. Okay, this is the value of k. Same as question number 3, part 3rd and part 4th. You have to solve in your copies part 3rd and part 4th. Okay, now question number 4th, this is our last questions. Here are 4 questions, 1 2 3 4. Factorize means splitting the middle term. I am solving only one questions, left questions you have to solve on. Okay, now question number 1 is 12x square minus 7x plus 1. We have to splitting middle term, so we can write easily 4x minus 3x plus 1, because minus plus, so we get 7. Okay, taking common here, so 4x is a common, left 3x minus 1, and from here taking -1, so left 3x plus 1. 3x minus, because minus is common. When we taking minus common, then sign will be changed here, so this become 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 taking common, and left -4x minus 1 in another bracket. If this is equal to 0, then from here this is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0, so we get x is equal to 1 by 3, and here we get x is equal to 1 by 4. This is our answers, we can say, but here not find values. Okay, so we have to left here. This is our answer. We have to left only here, we have to solve only here. Okay, so the answers of फर्स्ट इक्वेशंस is 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. This is our answer. Okay, 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1, same as question 2, 3 and 4th. दिन क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ आपको अपने होमवर्क में सॉल्व करने हैं. थैंक यू.